how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on mobile. So if you want to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your messages, which will be on the bottom middle. And once you're on your messages, you need to just simply go with the photo. Now here, as you can see, that beside the photo, it says 2 inside the circle. If it says 2, then you will be able to reopen that Instagram photo 2 times. Or you'll be able to open that photo 2 times. But if it doesn't say 2, it says 1, then you won't be able to reopen it. You need to just view it 1 time. It's just a one-time photo. So to reopen the Instagram photos that you've already viewed on your mobile, you need to ask the other person to send that view photo as a replay. So let me just open it. And now if I again tap on it, then I'll be able to view that again. That's how you can reopen Instagram photos if the other person has given that option. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.